guy is worth over $148 billion and his company Amazon is worth over $1 trillion today. And I know some of you guys are out there thinking this is a whole lot of wealth, but then how exactly can we tap into this particular company and make huge money for ourselves doing almost nothing? In this particular video today, I am going to be sharing with you guys how you can actually start up a business with Amazon and generate as much as $5,000 to $10,000 on a monthly basis by simply publishing books. Yes, simple books, which I'm going to show you guys in this particular video today. And if you're able to follow this particular video to the end, you would learn how you can actually get hold of your smartphone, publish books on this platform Amazon, and make huge money for yourself in dollars from this particular space. Hey guys, it's Frank Emmanuel here. But before I jump into the video today, I am going to share with you guys who won the access to the course, which I actually made mention in my last video. And if your name is on the screen right here, you have won access to my course all for free. So go ahead right now and shoot me a mail. You can see my mail here. Go ahead and shoot me a mail and you are going to get access to my course. And like I said, if you've been following with me all of my videos, I share several ideas on how you can actually get started from zero, scale, and make a whole lot of money on the online space. And this video is also one of them. But then, in order for you to get access to my academy, in order for you to get access to, for me to coach you for free, you would actually do only two things, right? And if you can do these two things, you'll be able to get access to my course and coaching academy for free. The first thing you actually want to do right now is to go down in the description below and comment Amazon. Go down and comment Amazon. And if you have done that, the second thing you should do right now is to go ahead and share this video. Share this video on WhatsApp, and once you've shared this video, come back and tell me I have shared this video in the comment section. And in my next video, I am going to be selecting one person who would actually get access to my coaching course all for free. Now, one quick caveat, guys, before I get into this particular video, please do not message anybody that drops a number for you in the comment section. It's very important. They're scammers, and it's not me. All of my details are going to be in the description of this particular video. So open the description and you actually get all of my details, and you can reach out to me personally. In short, if you do reach out to anybody via the comment section, you might actually get scammed, and this is what you don't want for yourself. So this is my Twitter handle. You can actually connect with me on Twitter if you really need to reach out to me for anything. All right, now jumping straight into the video for today, like I said, I am going to be sharing with you guys how you can actually make up to $5,000 per month by self-publishing your ebooks. And the very space that actually gives you this opportunity is called Amazon KDP. All right, it's Amazon KDP, and Amazon KDP is actually a simple site that you can actually leverage on, and you publish book, and from publishing books you can actually earn royalties from this particular space. All right, and royalties basically it's the money they're actually going to pay you, and this is actually one of those methods that people actually generate a whole lot of cash from the online space. You can actually see different screenshots, and you can see different people actually posting their earnings from this particular channel. And this is also something you can do if you don't have any capital, if you don't have any skill, you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, you're an entrepreneur, you're a student, and you're thinking of what to start doing. You can actually start publishing books, and from publishing your books, people get to buy them, and you actually start making a whole lot of money for yourself in this particular space. But then, how exactly does this happen? What is the procedure that you actually need to follow up in order to start earning cash from this particular method? Coming up on their website right now, you can actually see that this is their website, and they're telling you that this is an avenue where you can actually self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers. Now, the beauty with the Amazon KDP is you're able to go to market fast. You are able to make more money because you're going to be selling to a global market, and you can earn up to 70% royalties. All right, and you can actually keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. You publish in digital and in print format, and you can get started instantly. Now, this is available to anybody in the world, so anybody can start, right? Whatever part of Africa you're currently in, you can go ahead and sign up. Okay, now I'm going ahead. You can also see that there are different things you can publish on Amazon Kindle, right? It is actually not limited to any sort of a book that you're publishing, whether it's an ebook or a paperback. You can actually publish books on business and investing. You can publish things on comics and novels. You can publish for kids. You can actually publish literature. You can publish mystery, thrillers, and suspense. You can publish non-fiction, romance, science fiction, and content for teens and young adults. Now, this is actually one of the very cool parts because Amazon doesn't actually give you limits, right? There is no limitation from your location or even limitation on things that you are going to be publishing. All right, just don't make sure you publish something that's X-rated and you're good to go. Now, in order to get access to this, one of the major things you actually want to do right now is to actually sign up and have an Amazon account. Now, if you have an Amazon account, then you're good to go because you only sign into your KDP account. But then if you don't have, you can go ahead and click on sign up. And clicking on sign up, you will be able to come up here where you would create a KDP account. So let me just go over to create a KDP account, and you start filling in all of your details. But in this case, I have an account already, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Okay guys, so now I'm already signed into my Amazon KDP account. This is a test account so that I can be able to show you the practicals of how you can actually get started with this particular space. Okay, now you can see here it says create, manage, and publish. Publish a new title by clicking create, or manage your existing titles from your books. Okay, so it says here you can reach readers in formats they want. Publish an ebook, paperback, or hardcover book. If publishing a series, you can create an Amazon series page and add your books. Okay, so let's say now we want to create a book, so I'm going to click on create right now. And we're here on the create section, and this is going to be taking us over to the section where we are looking at creating a book. But then the big question here is, how exactly do you create a book? Okay, how exactly do you create a book? What exactly is that thing you're going to be creating that you will be able to publish on the Amazon space and get people to buy at at different prices which you list it on this particular site? And this is exactly where I would actually share with you guys one simple method that you can actually use to create a book, and that is using PLR books, right? You can edit PLR books and push these books on Amazon, because PLR books are actually books that do not have rights attached to them. Okay, yeah, so you actually have the right, once you've gotten access to this book, to use it for whatever you want. So we want to go ahead and get PLR books in order to edit and publish it right here on Amazon. Now, if you've been watching this video so far, you've been enjoying it, yes, go ahead right now and tell me, Franklin, I love this particular video. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. At the same time, make sure you do not hesitate sharing this video so that more people can actually see this particular video, and then they will get to follow up, they enjoy it, and they can also start making money for themselves. All right, now I'm here, this is IDPLR.com, and what you can basically do now, they're going to be able to give you a free account. Okay, there's going to be a free account for you, but the free account is limited, but it can actually get you started. All right, so let's take, for instance, I want to search for things like journals, or let's say recipe book. Right, so now the major thing is, I will not just go ahead and search for any type of book and want to upload on Amazon. Like I said, it is already saturated, so I want to upload books in a less saturated niche than actually going for a more saturated niche in this particular space. Okay, now coming over here, you can actually see the different books that are available here on this particular topic, which I just stated. I said recipe books, and you can see here diet and exercise. There's the 100 cookbook collection. Wow, I think this is going to be a very good one, 100 cookbook collection. So I'm just going to click on this, and clicking on this, I would have to register though. All right, yeah, I would have to register. And a good one, I can actually register for a free account. But let me click on download, and it says here log in to download or register here. So let me just register. I've been sent an email now to verify my email address, and I've actually done it. I did it via my smartphone, so I will go ahead right now and log in. Yep. Let me go ahead right now and log in. Yes, so I'm logged in now, and it says here your status is free. Like I said, you can just start with the free account. Okay, so what I want to do right now, okay, let me get back to my book, the 100 cookbook, and I could just search for it again. Okay, so this is the book here, and I can download this particular book, and this is the same book I'm going to upload on Amazon KDP and also get people buzzing. Okay, so let me just download this book right now. I will actually make sure that I review this particular book, and even when I review this particular book, I would also add some spice into this particular book, so that whoever will get this particular book will be able to get more value from this book, right? We are looking at selling this on Amazon actually, but then we need to revamp this book and make it ours, okay? And in order to do this, I'm going to do this on Canva. I'm going to go over to canva.com, and then I can now, re-edit this particular book to whatever, thing I like, okay? It makes it more of mine. It makes it, more edited. Should in case someone else goes to get this kind of book on IDPLR again, this one is actually very peculiar to me because I've actually been able to edit this, okay? Now this is well downloaded, and I can unzip this particular document and come in here. Wow, like this is just so much. Guys, you can see that there are several, books on this particular, document. Okay, so I'm just gonna even pick one. I can say here, this is the appetizer cookbook, and instead of the appetizer cookbook, I think it says here there are 92 recipes, and wow, there is just so much recipes inside of here. This is crazy. Like, this is crazy, honestly. Okay, so let me just pick up this particular book right now, and this is exactly what I'm going to share. Okay. So I'm going to come back to the Amazon KDP site, and like I said, I'm going to click on create so that I'm able to create a new book right now. And once I actually click on create here, it can say here which one do you want, the Kindle ebook, the paperback, the hardcover back, or the series page. I'm just going to create an ebook. Okay. Yeah, so once I have that created, you can see my book is in English. The book title, I can say I can say 92 appetizer recipe book. Okay, simple guide to over 92 appetizer recipes. Okay, so once I have this now, I can come down here, edition number, I can just put in 001, or you can ignore that. The author name, I can put in my name here. Right, you can see the authors, I could just put in my name. Okay, or you could just remove that. Yeah, so now for the description, you actually need to have a description. Now this is one of the most important aspects of your book, because your description actually needs to usher people into the book that you have written. Okay, so here I can just be like, okay, this book gives you over 92 appetizer recipes. Cook with fun and okay, I can just say cook creatively with all of what you have got. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna say yes, I own the copy, and you can add several keywords. Now at this keyword section, you have to actually sprinkle keywords, right, that this book is written, because people are going to search. So Amazon has this search engine. All right, so I can say all of this, and once I'm done, you can add the category. You can set category, and you can say this is non-classifiable. Okay, so come in here, select the minimum age range. Okay, let's just say 14 and above. Okay, so now here we have age and grade range. These are optional. I can ignore this. Then you can say I'm ready to release the book now. Make my Kindle ebook available for pre-order. I'm ready to release it now. So I can click on save and continue. Now this is the very first step. And the second step, it's going to take us over to the next step where we are going to start up with the ebook content itself. Now, once you're here on the second space here, the major thing you actually want to do now is to upload the manuscripts, right? So that particular content that you have, this is when you're going to upload it. But then it's quite important to know that there are certain guidelines that you have to follow in order to successfully upload on this particular space, okay? So there are different things you have to do, and you need to format for Amazon KDP. All right, you have to format for Amazon KDP. That book you've written, you have to format it for Amazon KDP so that it's able to come in here. So when you upload your manuscripts, you can go ahead and upload your cover. You should have a cover designed, and I know there's a dimension. The dimension is 1000 by 625 pixels, right? And also, you can actually have a preview of your ebook. And once you're done, you go back to the next step, which is for you to start up with your pricing. Now on the next page, you can actually go ahead and you can actually fill up all of your pricing details. Okay, you fill up your pricing details, but then it's also cool to know that Amazon is going to charge you for printing the book. Okay, so if it's going to be a printable book, Amazon will charge you for printing the book, and this particular charge they will add it to the cost, right? It's going to be added to the cost. So all you need to do is to add your own profits on the existing cost for printing. Now this is the exact walkthrough of the Amazon, giving you insight on what you can actually do here. Now I'm actually looking at creating a mini course, because if I'm to take my time to walk you guys through exactly the step-by-step process on how you can actually get your book up here, and everything that actually involves the research process, the optimization process, the uploading process, the pricing process, trust me, it's going to be much more than the average YouTube video. It's going to take several hours, 2 to 3 hours for me to be able to do that. Most of other videos here on the YouTube platform, they are hours already, but then it's just a piece of the cake. All right, in order to get this full knowledge and get this full insight on how you can fully go through this particular process of uploading books on Amazon and making up to $5,000 on a monthly basis. But I want to know those of you guys that are super interested, so that before I sit down and shoot a video that is actually 3 hours long, you guys are are ready and you want this particular video. Let me know those of you guys that are going to be quite interested in this particular full course, and I can go ahead and start creating it. So tell me in the question below, tell me, yes Franklin, I want this course. Okay, now if you say yes, you want this course, this will actually ginger me and actually propel me to create this video for you guys, and I can publish it here on my channel. All right, now if you guys actually love this video, thank you so much for loving this video. I would like it if you tell me you do love it, and at the same time make sure that you give this video a thumbs up right now, subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure you share this video. Right, share this video to get more people aware that there is an opportunity like this that awaits them. The major thing they need to do is to open up their ears and eyes and watch information like this on my channel. All right, now this is it for this particular video, and I wait a response, and there are more videos for you guys in this channel.